Hi friends, today I am going to prepare a Mangalorean traditional breakfast item, Yellappa. To prepare Yellappa, I am using 3/4 glass of Urad dal, 2 teaspoons of Fenugreek seeds, washing it twice in water and then taking 2.5 glass of rice, washed cleanly in water and soak both Urad dal and rice for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, I have prepared a fine paste of Urad dal by adding as much water as needed. And for the rice, I have added half grated coconut, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, little water, and then after grinding for some time, added 300 grams of jaggery and prepared a thick batter. I am mixing the prepared batter nicely with the hand and letting it rest for about 4 hours. I have kept the oil to heat for frying. I have mixed the batter once again, and once the oil is hot, poured around 1 cup of batter right in the middle of the hot oil. The batter puffs up and forms a round shape. Once the Yellappa is fried on one side, that is changes color, let's flip it over. Fry it until the color of Yellappa on both the sides changes to golden brown. The Yellappa is cooked, let us remove it. And then repeat the same with the rest of the batter. A tasty breakfast item Yellappa is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the New Home Kitchen. Bye.